Welcome to Concours Homework YouTube channel. We are happy to see you here. In this video, you will learn words about clothes. You will listen to the pronunciation and repeat. Before we begin, we kindly ask you to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Doing so motivates us to publish more videos. You can also browse our website concourshomework.co.uk to download the worksheet of this vocabulary activity. The link is in the description. Are you ready? Then, let's begin. Listen and repeat. Shirt, shirt, shirt. Dress, dress, dress. Jeans, jeans, jeans. T-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. Shoes, shoes, shoes. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Socks, socks, socks. Trousers, trousers, trousers. Hat, hat, hat. Sandals, sandals, sandals. Trainers, trainers, trainers. Baseball cap, baseball cap, baseball cap. Scarf, scarf, scarf. Pajamas, pajamas, pajamas. Sunglasses, sunglasses, sunglasses. Keys, keys, keys. Phone, phone, phone. Backpack, backpack, backpack. Computer, computer, computer. Handbag, handbag, handbag. Mask, mask, mask. Gloves, gloves, gloves. Kilt, kilt, kilt. Watch, watch, watch. Ring, ring, ring. Remember to repeat and say the words. You can pause the sound and listen. Also, remember that practice makes progress. Download the Clothes Words worksheet. Click the link in the description. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, visit concourhomework.co.uk to download free ESL/EFL worksheets for free.